The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain how to update a will in Illinois. First, let's talk about when you should update your will. You should update your will if any of the following situations change. One is who you want to be in charge of managing your assets and distributing them to your beneficiaries when you pass away. Two is how you would like your assets distributed when you pass. This can include having a particular asset that you've acquired that you want to go to a particular person. Three is who you would like to be the guardian of your minor children. So those three situations are the most common situations in which you need to update your will. If another situation is if you have a clear change of beneficiaries, but that's not always a necessary update. If you have a properly drafted will, you should not have to update your will if new children or grandchildren are born, or if named beneficiaries, executors, or guardians of minor children pass away. However, you should review your will in those situations to make sure that your existing will provides for those contingencies. A question a lot of people have is, can you make handwritten updates to your will? Can you just write on the face of your will and initial it? The answer is no. In order to update your will, you need to create a supplementary document called a codicil. So let's talk about what a codicil to a will is. It's a supplementary document that's used to make changes to a will. It sets forth specific provisions of the will that it seeks to change and what the new amended language of those provisions is going to be. It's usually a 1 or 2 page document. In order to be valid, the codicil has to be executed in the same manner as the original will. And so what does that mean? It means that it has to be signed by the creator of the original will in the presence of 2 witnesses. The witnesses have to contemporaneously sign the codicil, and all of the people involved, the creator of the will and the witnesses have to be 18 years old at least and of sound mind at the time that they're executing the will. Another thing that people ask is, should I do an amendment to my will through a codicil? Should I just do a completely new will, or should I revoke my will? A codicil is the simplest and usually the cheapest way to create to update a will, but creating a new will revoke the prior will. So what we tell people is, if you have sweeping changes to your will, if you're changing a lot of things, then usually it makes sense to do a new will because it's usually not that much more expensive than doing a codicil. If you only got 1 or 2 minor changes, a codicil makes sense. Although in the end, there's no real legal difference between the two. If you just If you don't want to change your will but just want to completely revoke it, and maybe you're doing a trust instead and you don't need a will to go along with that trust, then a revocation makes sense, and there's a document that you can use to revoke your will as well. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, iTunes, and SoundCloud, and you'll be notified of our daily article and video posts. You can also subscribe to our email blast, which goes out once a month and will contain a lot of our new content, and you can do that at learn-about-law.com. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.